Before we get into this shoe review, I want to let you guys know that we've teamed up with my boy JUMPERMANKRIS to give away a free pair of Air Jordan 4 Taupe Haze with 4 simple steps to you to get it at no cost whatsoever. Number 1, make sure you're following myself and JUMPERMANKRIS on Instagram, so it's OOSKicks and JUMPERMANKRIS. Number 2, make sure you're subscribed to my channel as well as JUMPERMANKRIS's YouTube channel. Number 3, like and share the post on your Instagram story. And lastly, comment down your size and tag one friend. By the way, it is unlimited, so keep tagging away, and we'll probably be ending this sometime next week, but we just want to be able to give back to y'all for the support. Me and my boy have been talking about this for quite some time, and do it with the taupe, hey, can't complain. So hope to see you guys there. Hope you guys can share our post, show the love, and hopefully you can go away with that free pair. All right, y'all, let's get back into the video. Yo, today we got a treat for you because we are gonna be reviewing the Nike Air Jordan 4 Taupe Haze. Sit back, relax, enjoy this episode. Let's go. What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Josh, also known as OOSKicks. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and smash that like button because you know it helps out your boy in the YouTube algorithm. All right. Let's get straight down to business. You know what we do on this channel. We do our very best to get the early reviews in, make sure that you guys understand what is coming out on Sneakers app, on all the different foot sites. And today we got a banger of a video because we are gonna be reviewing, like I said, the Nike Air Jordan 4 Taupe Haze. I'm excited about this shoe. This is a crazy shoe. I have to really tell you guys this because it is not just what you see in the appearance, but also what the takeaways are from the shoe. Let's get into it. All right, first and foremost, let's start off with the appearance of the box. God damn, this is fire. I love what they did with this one. Nike Air Jordan popping all around. You got like this brown taupe colorway. It has the, you know, the normal Jordan branding that we have here on the label. We got this size 10.5. We got the MSRP. It is kind of bright, but its retail is at $200. Official colorway is a Taupe Haze, infrared 23. So I'll go ahead and show off exactly what colorway they are talking about that. As we know right now, we do not know the official release date. I have heard that it was supposed to be in the beginning of, or the end of January, but now it's slated for the 26th of February. But by the time this video comes out, it's probably already changed because you know all the delays that are happening. My goodness, let's first get a first glance when we open this box before we get into that view we love so much. Oh, we got that, you know, we got a different, that's not white paper. Yo, if you check this out, this is like it's that taupe colorway again. It has like a cement print, like a cracking on the outside of it, and then you show off these shoes. Yo, okay, this is probably gonna be the closest time or the closest chance that I'll be able to get close to something that is similar to that Travis 4 that released that friends and family version that's posted right here. And yeah, I'm not gonna be able to touch that, but to be able to touch this, I really think that we are gonna love this shoe. Let's get a first-hand 360 view of what we are working with. Wow. And I think this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna show an on foot of how it looks. Ooh, that 360 view looking oh so nice. Actually, hold on. I did get a little bit of hate before on people telling me that my shoes are not authentic. They were early pairs, meaning that they're not legit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this app that I've been using for almost a year now. It's called the Check app. And we'll go and do a screen share that's gonna be posted like right here exactly of the whole process that's happening. And we can just kind of go into it and see how the process goes. So, all right, so we're gonna take some pictures here. Go ahead and just do that. And then we're gonna go to the inside label. So we'll go ahead and take a picture right here as well. Right there. And then we get the back of the insole. Take it out, do that, boom. And then there's another one where you do the insole stitching. All right, so I've taken the necessary pictures in order for you to have the app check, and then they have different options. They got that 30-minute, they have the 4-hour, and then they have the 12 hours. So I'm gonna go with the 30 minutes and we'll go confirm it. Use check to make sure that all my early pairs, all the pairs that I purchase are legit, so that when I do end up selling them or if I end up keeping them, I know that they are as legit as can be. So go and go there. And then while we do that, we'll go into the review. All right, let's jump straight into it. This shoe Wow, this taupe colorway, it's kind of funny. You guys are probably gonna make fun of me, but man, I'm so Filipino that I was pronouncing this taupe. yeah, don't do that. We got this taupe colorway here. It's a suede material. Definitely you can tell there's a difference between this portion of the shoe and this portion. I want to specifically talk about this portion because this is actually not the shoe once you start wearing it. This part will start breaking away and it'll have some kind of look here. I'll post it up on the screen afterwards, but I think this is such the sickest part about this shoe is that really the more that you wear this, it's gonna be a different appearance in a couple more wears, but this part is supposed to scale off, come off like as a more suede-ish look. I am keeping one for the personal just to see how I can make this happen as well, but it's not only this part right here, but it's also this part right by the laces here, and also in the back tab. I believe I saw pictures and the colorway that it comes out to is going to be a lot lighter than this one. So it's kind of have like an offsetting look, which I think is so dope. It's going to be such a creative way to see how much people rock this, and I can't wait to see exactly like how pairs are going to turn out. As we look to the back side of the version, we got that Jumpman iconic. Nothing new to see here. I definitely like this colorway. The black hits it just perfectly. Let's talk about the midsole. The midsole is not a white, comes off as a little bit of a light gray, white gray I'd like to say, and you have that air bubble here as well. Then in the beginning, the colorway that we had mentioned, this is Taupe Haze, as well as right here. Ooh, this part I think is my favorite part. This colorway is known as the Infrared 23. So we've seen this colorway in other Jordans that we've seen in the past, but this colorway, just the way everything contrasts together. My boy Shoe Pugs, Jimmy, I don't know if he was trolling everyone, but I really think he likes it. He was talking about this being as a putting the tongue down. That's a no for me, dog. Oh man, black laces on these. These do not come with extra laces as usual for Jordan 4s. Overall, solid shoe. I've already had my personal pair on. I'm gonna show on some on-feet pics, but they're very comfy, a little bit heavy. I don't think I'd be able to ball in these shoes specifically, but these are a definite cop. Year of the 4s. I have my Unions that I love, but this pair I think is gonna overtake that. Like I said, closest I'll get to the Travis friends and family pair. So as I was doing this video, you saw me do the Check app. If you didn't know, I do have a code there where you can redeem 1 free credit for new users, and you put in the code OOSKicks into the app, and then you'll be able to get that free credit and you can try it out yourself. As we were waiting, I really hope that Check see this because I think they need to have like a notification system. Maybe it's just how my phone is. Within 5 minutes, yo, I had that 30-minute check and we came back. Your boy came back with the pass. Do you see that? Let me see if I can get in closer. That's a pass right there. I'll go and take a screenshot of that so you can see it. Same reference code. I am not capping. Got all my pictures, and that's it. Like, these are money. These are legit. That's what I do. We are gonna talk about resale pricing. As of today, I believe today is February 10th, we are gonna go and check up StockX to see. I believe these pairs are gonna be ranging before market hits. It's gonna be like $450 to $460. And let's see what we're at today. Let's put in taupe. I have to say it right because I've been trying to correct myself the whole time. Let's say Taupe Haze. And right now, I have a size 10.5 here. And that went for the ass is $416, about $381. With a retail price of $200, I do see these as easily a $400 shoe. I think these are gonna be a great hold in terms of, you know, how many 4s they are coming out with. I think we haven't been able to find out what the stock is, but just the color blocking, just the colorway of this specific shoe, this is gonna be a banger. People are gonna love this shoe. They're gonna go crazy about it. Resellers, cop these. They're a little bit higher than the Jordan 1s, but I definitely think there is money to be made. There's personables to be made as well. So cop these for sure. With that being said, I think this pretty much wraps up everything that I had to talk about this shoe. Before we end this, we'll show a couple B-rolls, maybe some on-foot pics I'll bless you guys with. But with that being said, I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. We will keep pushing on with this. We'll keep going. And always remember, y'all, stay in stock with Out of Stock Kicks. Peace.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that ain't coincide. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the